So this is John out in the kitchen, coming back. Now listen to what he does when he gets to his room. And can you imagine this sneeze in front of your door? Listen. Give it a second or two. It might take a minute or so. But I think he has a sneezing fit in this episode. If I caught the right segment. That's me burping. Now that's him in his room. Can you imagine that in front of your door every other day? Waking you to fuck up. 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning, 1 o'clock in the morning, you know.